can do it.
Okay, can you teach me how to use this
I'll
thing?
flip it over. I think it's this way. Yeah, like this. There you go. And then you hook this part here. Perfect.
Perfecto, excelente.
Perfecto, mi amigo.
Oh, this is for
Yeah.
the charger.
Yeah. Hey, there you go.
Put what? Or
It's facing that way.
Put in there. Don't need to click here at the front.
And I only have 3, so.
I forgot that. Back and forth.
Yep, and then
Wow.
right,
It's good.
right and left.
I love it before. No touch that.
Yeah, don't touch that. So Wilfred's,
It's calibrated.
yeah, he's calibrated it. Pretty good.
Competitors. Cheetah on the hunt. The cats are approaching from downwind of the nervous herd. Lithe and long-legged, the cheetahs move closer with little attempt at concealment. Soon the sharp-eyed springbuck will see the approaching hunters. Then the swift cats will rely on their great speed to catch their prey. The bushman can only wait and watch as the cheetahs bolt for the herd. Though the cheetah is faster, the springbuck has greater endurance, and the cats must strike quickly. The bushmen are envious of the swift cats, able to run down an animal the men must often track for days. The cat has picked his quarry, and with a final sprint, closes the gap. Now the bushmen abandon.